Hello guys, welcome back to MonLabo Linux. So today we're going to be talking about font color on Linux. We're going to see how to customize our terminal to display some nicely colored uh, text. Okay, so without further ado, let me go to my environment, and here I've already prepared something. And here, as you can see, I have my Linux terminal already open within my browser using Cockpit. And I just want to do something. For example, if you're on your terminal and you do something like this, uh, let's say, for example, I want to have a color. So, for example, I can say, or maybe I can save it somewhere. Or maybe let's do it first like this. Okay, so let's do -e, and then we're gonna put our text here, and then we're gonna do something like this. All right, and then 033. Don't ask me what that is. This is just something that you have to master like that. And then here I will put, for example, a number. You have different numbers that you can apply to this. For example, I know that red can be 31M. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like that. And then if I do something like hello there, and I was to hit something like enter, we see that it is red. But yeah, so it is red, which is nice. Okay, so if I want to have maybe something else like a next color, maybe 33, I can type like this and I will have this. Or maybe I can have another one which can be maybe 35. Let's see if we have any. Yep, so you see that you can have those colors. Okay, additionally, I can save that into a variable, then I can use it anywhere I want. For example, if I'm working with a team and I want them to be aware of what is on their terminal when they hit their commands, so I can do that. All right, so why not go and do that with a script? For example, I have two files here, one with font and the other one without font. Okay, so I'm gonna run the first one, okay, which is, I'm gonna run the one with text no font. Okay, so if I was to do bash and then text no font, okay, so you should see that I have this. All right, so you should see that I have a color. I have the default color that is white. Okay, which is not quite what I'm expecting. All right, so what we expect is that we should have different colors. Be uh, we should be happy to share something on the screen so that people will be like, wow, this is amazing. So that file that I just opened, okay, it's, let me do this. This is the content of it. All right, this is the content. So that content has been transformed to become something else, to become this. Yeah, so I was to do font dash. So before I execute that, I want to show you what is inside. So here, as you can see, I have my default bin bash, okay, which is the shebang line. And then here I just put a description to this thing, as you can see. And here I capture all the colors, okay, according to what I want. For example, here you can see I have black, okay, which is this one. I have red, green, yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, white, bold, underline, and reset. So here I'm resetting the color every time. And as you can see, here I have some text, okay, where, for example, I'm doing some underline, some black, bold, and then I reset the text. And if I don't apply it to the other one, here when I say reset, it means that you should stop here, okay? Don't proceed with the other one. And As you can see here, I'm also doing the same thing. All right, and until you see all those stuff. Now let's go ahead and apply that and see what happened, shall we? So if I save that and then call back that and type bash, so let's see what happened. All right, so we have this, which is quite nice for me. All right, so I see, for example, I don't know if you see that. For example, here I know the text is black. I'm making it bold as well, and I'm also having it underlined. Okay, for example, just to show you how you can combine them. Here and here I stop the color, the coloration, and I can continue like that with other. Okay, you can see that, for example, here the arrow here is not having white. This one is having, this one is having, and so on. So I can put that anywhere I want. I just use the variable, and if I change the value in one place, it's going to change everywhere. Here, for you can see that I targeted this number, and it is bold. Okay, so this way you can do like that until, for example, you see here all good. You can like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this content. Bye bye.